welcome to Twitter Cash Pump. In today's episode, we'll try to explain to you what Twitter is. And by the end of this video, I hope you can realize how Twitter can help you as a great marketing tool. First things first, what is exactly Twitter? Well, Twitter is a huge social networking site where users can send personal messages known as tweets in an internet micro-blogging platform that will allow on-fly updates. Twitter has such a great network, it can be used in so many ways. It can keep everyone informed in what's going on and around the world. Twitter can allow you to follow your friends, families and celebrities and various athletes, even politicians and your favorite TV shows, and it keeps you updated on your favorite upcoming TV shows as well. There is no limit what Twitter can offer you, and it's growing rapidly on a daily basis. Because Twitter is set up on a micro-blogging platform, as the example, each tweet has to be as 140 characters only. So Twitter is used to update your friends and families to what you're doing. Twitter is also similar to other social networking sites such as Facebook and MySpace. However, Twitter is unique in its way. What the users can see is what you have sent out as posts, but your friends cannot see what other users have sent you. Through your tweets, you can let your friends know what activities have been going on. You can send out a website address, or you can have a casual conversation about what your interests are or what's happening during the course of your day. This makes Twitter so powerful and fascinating. You can actually use Twitter to post out any message you want. One of the great features of Twitter is that you can get mobile updates from wherever you want. These options allow you to get tweets into your cellular phone as text messages, and it keeps you updated minute by minute with new information. Because Twitter is growing so rapidly, every user has a Twitter profile. So in case if you wanted to know about your favorite sports team, you can look for their profile page and get regular updates on what they're up to. Or if you wanted to stay updated on the current events of news, you can also look for CNN, the Washington Times, or the Daily Tribunal and subscribe to their profile pages, and you would receive tweets and have regular updates on the developing news or even the local news station in your area. Twitter gives you the opportunity to stay informed day or night by bringing in latest news updates to your profile page. Twitter can allow you to reach out to millions of people. You can even search for interesting topics and read other people's tweets and conversation, and also subscribe to those tweets and stay informed. Twitter can be used for fun or business. Celebrities, sports stars, businessmen are using Twitter currently. Here is an example of what a Twitter profile page looks like. In this slide, we'll be looking at the profile page for Governor Schwarzenegger. As you can see, this profile has been impersonalized to fit Governor Schwarzenegger. As you can see, he has a profile picture of himself embedded in the background, so his followers can identify him. If we look up to the right of the page, we can see the number of people he's following, as well as the number of people who are following him. We can see that Governor Schwarzenegger is very popular in the Twitter community, as he has followers of around 1.2 million people. So as soon as Governor Schwarzenegger sends out a tweet, 1.2 million of his followers are updated to what he sends out. At the same time, of the 97,000 people that Governor Schwarzenegger is following, if any one of them would send out a tweet, he would be updated at the same time. This way you can see how easily information is passed on from one profile to another profile. As you look down to Governor Schwarzenegger's profile, we can see his timeline history. He has also listed a couple of links for his followers to check out, as well as various tidbits of information here and there. As you'll also notice, there are topics which have been listed with a pound sign in front of it. If you were to click on this, you would see everyone in the Twitter world who has been linked to this particular topic. If you'll also notice, underneath his picture, there is a link, follow. You can click on this link and follow that user. Another thing that Twitter allows you is that you can also have a brief bio of yourself on your profile page. You can see on Governor Schwarzenegger's profile, we can see what he has listed about himself and his qualifications. Along with your bio information, you can also list your location and website URL, but these are all optional features and are not mandatory. Just in case if you would search for somebody and you would come across multiple users who share the same name, the bio information will help you differentiate and select the right person you are looking for. As we begin to wrap up this tutorial, the following diagram will help you understand how information can be passed from one user to the other. On Twitter, we can see a number of people and the arrows show the line of communication, linking them all together. Imagine one person tweeting something to another person and that person tweets something back to the other person. And all this is happening on the fly, real time. And we can see how fast Twitter is. When someone comes across some news that's very interesting and newsworthy, you can also retweet that news back to anybody you like. And within a few seconds, that news travels from one corner of the world to the other corner, on through somebody's profile page. In this way, news can circulate from one person to 1,000 people at the same time. So as we can see how Twitter can be used in various multitudes, and we've just explained to you just a few examples. To mention a few more examples, Twitter can be also used for market research, lead generation, customer support, inquiries and live chat, from product reviews to data testing and things like feedback and community building, and the list continues. You can use Twitter in so many ways, primarily for personal gain or for business purposes as well. From this video, I hope you have understood the basics of Twitter. Join me in more videos to come in some more insights into the advantages of Twitter and how to use it more effectively. Thank you for watching.